Hi friends, welcome to Sir Kandron LDC classes. In this class we are going to again see the sum of objective questions of commercial departments and also test yourself. What is your preparation? Which level is your preparation of commercial? Okay, for your coming exams of railways. Okay, let us start the class. The charges paid by IAFT 1720 holder for booking a ticket is -% of the fare. Okay, you can see the videos of Sir Kandron LDC classes for clarification about these objective questions. General manager of railways or production unit are eligible for which type of metal? Number of privilege passes issued per year for gazetted officer is how many? 6 set, 4 set, 3 set, 2 set. Tell me. Number of privilege passes issued per year for non-gazetted employees after 5 years of service is how many sets? Privilege check pass can be issued by longer route if the distance does not exceed shortest route distance by more than how many? What percent? 15%. Prepare yourself. Railway employees can apply for e-pass and e-PTO online in the web portal. Tell me what is the site? Validity of the PTO is how many months? 1 month, 2 months, 5 months, 4 months. Tell me. Number of PTOs issued for PTOs issued for an non-gazetted employee per year is how many? The luggage free allowances for first class pass holder is what kg? Shoulder ticket is issued on exchange of what? Defense travel system DTS has been integrated with. These are the very big and very important objective questions of commercials. The charges paid by IAFT 1709A holder for booking a ticket is what percent of the fare? Maximum number of passengers entitled to travel in IAFT 1720 is. Validity of privilege pass issued to licensed coolie porter is how many months? The entitled class for ex-MP to travel in Indian Railways is. Tell me, these are the very important questions. If you have doubt, you see the videos. The defense personnel traveling in train only with the I-ticket transaction slip without exchange it for a I-ticket in the PRS counter shall be treated as what? The licensed coolie porter are issued with dash set of pass and dash set of PTOs. Which of the following charges are not collected from a PTO holder traveling in AC classes? Which of the following person cannot be included as a dependent? Tell me. PTO can be exchanged for dash. Number of break journey allowed for a passenger holding a ticket for a distance between 501 to 1000 km. How many break journeys? Tell me. Number of break journeys allowed for a passenger holding a ticket for a distance more than 1000 km is how many break journey? Duration of one break journey excluding the day of arrival and departure is how many days? Temporary OPH orthopedically handicapped concession certificate is valid for how many years? OPH orthopedically handicapped concession holders is eligible for what percent of concession in third AC of Rajdhani Express? Tell me. You can see the videos and remind it. Answer the question. The percentage of concession for a cancer patient in third AC class is what percent? The percent of concession for the escort of a cancer patient in third AC class is what percent? Totally deaf and dumb person are eligible for -% of concession in sleeper class. Senior citizens are not eligible for concession on circular journey ticket if the distance is more than -km. Female senior citizens are eligible for concession. Students from recognized educational institution are eligible for concession in what class? Tell me. Today you see the videos of concession. You will understood and answer the questions. The concession given for a kidney patient in first AC and second AC is what percent? Which of the following passengers can break journey? The quantum of concession given to TB patient in dash classes dash of basic fare. In educational, one escort is allowed for every how many girls student of any age? The age limit for availing a student concession for general student is what years? Research scholar is what years? Concession given to Divyang passenger in third A of Malabar Express train is what percent, and Rajdhani train is what percent. Validity of a student concession for outward journey is dash days and return journey is dash days. What is the element of concession given to allopathic doctor? What is the element of concession? 10%. Remind it, prepare it, give the answer. Element of a student concession is in educational tour is what percent? Tell me. MP traveling in first AC want to take his companion in the same class and he approached the TT. What are the charges to be collected by the TT? Give the answer. The validity of concession order issued for outward journey is how many months? A passenger having a UTS ticket up to a distance of 2,790 kilometers awaited first break journey at 600 kilometers. Now he wants to have the second break journey. Where can he have the second break journey? Give the answer. Mr. Ranjan, traveling from Kanyakumari to Nizamuddin, reaches Egmore by train number 12634 on 10th July 2020 at 30 hours, and he has to board her connection train on 11th July 20 at 23 hours. He is having PRS ticket. Should he get any endorsement? If not, what is the penalty? Give the answer. The concession for press correspondence can be availed based on the ID card issued by the PCI. PCI, Press Information Bureau. UNI, tell me the answer. High official requests can be exchanged by whom? SM only, TT only, SM and TT both. Both is your answer. Which of the following is the travelling authority for defence I-ticket holder? Ticket booked through TDS online. Give the answer. These are the very VBI questions regarding our exam information purpose. Our exam purpose. Okay, the concession order issued for immunocompromised passenger is valid for how many months from the date of issue? The charge paid by the senior citizen transgender passenger is what percent of the base fare? Which among the following is not correct with regard to first class privilege pass holder? So these are the very big and VBI objective questions related to our commercial departments. Test yourself. What is your preparation? Okay friends, I hope you will give the answer. Okay, thank you.